Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get channel guide on Xumo. Now, while you're watching a channel guys, you just press the back button on your Xumo remote. And then what you do guys is you use the right arrow on your remote to navigate to the guide option. You just open, okay, once the guide option is highlighted guys, you press OK or the select button on your remote to open the channel guide. And a mini guide guys can be accessed by pressing the right button on the remote while watching live TV. Now, from the mini guide, what you can do is press right again to open the full guide. And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one. So I hope this video helped.